The first step in making our own 3D printed cookie cutter is to find a simple outline of an image. I'm going to use Noun Project. I have a paid account. You can use the free account. I'm going to look up um, hot air balloon. Now, a filled in image like one of these could be okay, could work, but I don't really like that. I want something a little bit more. So I'm going to keep looking. I think I'm going to change to emoji. And let's see if we can find an emoji. So this is nice because it's all circles. So cookie shape, pretty simple cookie. I like this one. I'm going to download SVG. Because I have a paid account, I don't have to give credit, but I would give credit to DT Design. So now it's downloaded on my computer, and we'll go to the next step.